So, one final question, and this is just an honest question, sir. Kasi medyo narinig ko yung sabi mo kanina na public service is a sacrifice. Eh, ba't pinahihirapan yung sarili mo?
Because naawa ako sa tao. Ang daming nahihirapan eh. Hindi ako nahihirapan. Ang ganda ng buhay ko eh. Bakit ako lang? Hindi naman tama yun eh. Mahal ko naman yung mga Pilipino. Ayoko makita, lalo na yung mga bata pag nakikita mo. Yeah, because what we do naman not for ourselves. We do for our children eh. And you see children suffering. And wala. Tapos that's good enough reason to sacrifice your entire life. Marami kang matulungan. Di ba? At saka palagay ko na-ingrain na sa amin na aking mga magulang na mukhang tayong mga Marcos, linagay tayo sa mundong ito para magserbisyo. Kaya yun ang itinutuloy ko. And I really believe that because sa dami na nagawa ko, there is nothing more that will make you happier, that will make you more content, more satisfied than being able to help many people going outside of yourself. And that's my reward. In my case. And I know that the public servants out there, that's also the reward. Pagka magandang nagawa nila, marami silang natulungan. And until you've experienced that, you have a part. There's always a part. May mga tao hindi interesado sa serbisyo, pero I think karamihan ng Pilipino may puso ng bayanihan eh. Kaya't hindi nawawala yan. Paano? Sige, okay na ako. Paano kung tulungan ito na kawawa naman ito, walang mapuntahan or whatever. That's why. And that's the most important thing for me, to make the Philippines a better place and to make the lives of our countrymen better.